Did you know that the hair, head, neck, parts of the body cannot walk without the body, leg, and other parts because they're not complete? So also the argumentative essay, the title is like her, the head is like the introduction, and neck is the definition of the concepts that is not complete without other steps. Consider the other steps below. Step 4. Write the body of the argument. The writer, the speaker, should marshal his or her argument one after another logically, convincingly, in a well laid out paragraph. The writer or speaker is free to use linkers like in addition to, for example, again, moreover, however, consequently, nonetheless, yet, or on the other hand, furthermore. Remember that it is good to raise your points, the weak points, one by one, and then approach the stronger points you have in your arguments. Step 5, write a conclusion. Now, after the body of an argumentative essay, you can now create a concluding paragraph where the writer should try to win the heart of the listeners or the readers with a line of arguments. Now, the writer or the speaker should give a summary of the points in favor of the side he supports. Learn from the following paragraph. Step 6, write thank you. It is necessary to write the tag thank you after concluding a paragraph as seen below. Thank you. Step 7, write your full name after the thank you and designation too, if necessary. In writing, you should write your name in full. If it is an interclass debate, you will write the name of your class beneath your name at the right-hand side of the screen, as seen below. Bola Balogun, class SS2. You see, in this lesson, we have learned other steps. These are additional steps you can use to make the body of your argumentative essay quite interesting. We'll learn more in our next class. Bye for now.